Knowing where a worker was when their device recorded an event can be incredibly valuable when identifying or monitoring potentially hazardous areas. The Events Map can be accessed as part of the Blackline Analytics suite and works in combination with the Events Report. The Events Map report can be accessed by navigating to Blackline Analytics in the main menu and clicking the name of the report in the sidebar. By default, you'll see a spread of all events that occurred on a map. Use the filters to hide any event types you don't want to see. Clusters of events can be an indicator of a hazardous area. You can zoom in on the map to see the area in more detail. To troubleshoot events that a particular group or individual has experienced, you can select them from the filters in the sidebar. Being able to properly prepare for work in potentially hazardous areas can avoid emergency incidents from occurring. The Events Map provides a crucial piece of information to support the other reports by showing you exactly where each event takes place.